Hi friends, welcome to CIETRO Print Solutions. Now I am showing a Lord Ganesh picture on the screen. You can see it. Just now we printed a Lord Ganesh picture on 2 by 2 marble stone, plain white marble stone. See, now you can see it on the screen. It's a marble stone, plain marble stone. The size is 2 by 2. Now we're painting Lord Ganesh picture on it. See, now you can see it, how it's going to print with a texture and embossed finish. Now it's printing a Lord Ganesh picture on a 2 by 2 size of marble stone. See, you can see how it's printing. You can see the texture, you can see the finish, you can see the emboss. It's printing on a 2 by 2 white marble stone. We are printing Lord Ganesh picture on it with an emboss and texture finish. See, you can see the final output image. See, my person is feeling the texture. See, you can see it, the emboss and the texture finish. See, you can have a look. Yeah, see, it's a texture finish. It's an emboss and you can feel the experience by touching it. It's all embossed and texture finish. It's a 2 by 2 plain white marble stone with printing a Lord Ganesh picture on it. You can see the final output. Yeah, now you can see it, it's getting ready. Yeah, this is the final output of a Lord Ganesh picture on 2 by 2 white marble stone. See, wow, how it's look like. See, it's a texture finish and an embossed finish. See, yeah, it's a white marble 2 by 2 size. Yeah, see.